Hello guys! We are Diets Fam. Today is Fam Sunday. After we attended the mass, we went straight to Mushrif Mall, Abu Dhabi.
Oh, now they're just finished.
No! Let's go. Ay, next time. Ayun.
Look, there's other one up there. Really? Yeah, look. Where I cannot see. Whoa.
Empty.
Let's go! Wala ko. First time nang...
Maluwag na niya yung mumunta kayo.
Wait, is this brown big gun? Daddy, there's this ugly.
Nagtuto ka rin.
Alambat mo yung smiles. At yung kaya kayo. Order na ko.
Run away! You gotta stop.
Explain na. Mabagal ko kayo.
Hello!
Bali, apat na ano.
Who's starving?
I think there's no money.
They just ignore me.
Who's hungry?
Pasaway kayo.
Yes, ala talaga.
Who's hungry? Let me see the faces. Who's hungry?
Who's hungry with a crush?
Like talaga naman.
Who's hungry?
Finally.
You're hungry? Who's hungry?
Nakata din yung kain, lemon.
I'm hungry. I have power.
Wala mong nasi.
Seven pancet.
I want white ice cream. I want the only white. I want the
That's
purple
for,
and white.
Who likes vanilla?
For auntie, you're eating rice.
Adrian likes purple.
Auntie,
I got my
Daddy?
second rice.
Masakit ka mga niya. Pipa kain na katapos. Massage for 5 dirhams. 5 dirhams massage for 5 minutes. Wala mo to to. Only here, you hold here, like this. O kaya nga, taka rin niya talaga.
Where's there? Two seats pala. The other car.
Sakay na! Adrian! Adrian! Pagmamana mo rin. Pil na.
Picture yung Arlen. Oh, picture yung
Alaman.
picture.
Eliana kami.
Picture.
Yan na.
Picture yun. Look at the picture.
Balo mo yung kuya mo, biyasa pang mamiling dress ka.
May mag-graduate siya.
No, ako mag-graduate pala.
Bala mo naman, sleeveless day man yan.
Oh, sleeveless.
Eh?
Kaya sleeveless na
Frontless?
pampantalon na kanya. Manuada.
Awa. Ay, natago rin rining makanta eh.
What? Oh, Diyos ko, may nakit lang ka eh. May nakit lang kalaban.
I cannot hear you, amo. Ay, sus.
Ah, yeah, when we're going to Philippines, sige.
You have money? You have money? Let me see. Dali. Oh, check it how much. Check. Just check it. Check. You check it how much.
I want this.
Ah, 35.
What's mommy? I want to stay in this section. I want this one. I want this one.
Something na sana, oh. Yung susunod.
I want this one.
You want that one? Oh, tell your daddy.
Yes, baby.
Let me see. Let me see.
Learning kinala.
She wants that one ka, no?
Do you have
Let me see how much. Let me
How much
see.
ka no? How much anong tita?
Let me see.
You will
Dosia.
be a builder?
Well,
Dosia pala.
You'll be a builder?
Expensive eh.
What you gonna do?
Play with it.
You're a
Ah?
builder?
Play with it.
Play with it nga naman, tita.
Wapi naman.
You
Mahutang
will
ka
be
pa
a builder?
Ay,
Play with it. No way.
Oh, careful. There are hanger down, anak.
biyasa ning
You will
mamili.
slide.
Ha?
Tayo. Sukat meron.
Oh, sige.
Nanya size yan.
12
Lente,
or
lente,
14. Pipilit.
Ay,
Pipilit natin.
ano yun naman? Dati niya size yun.
Nantay 14. Balo ko 14 ko eh.
Oh, try me. Maluwag niya yan, ha?
Ano, 12
I mean,
na
loose siya
mo.
yan.
Ah, sa bagay, Lucia.
Loose siya. Nanya size yun, eh?
12.
Ali, 14 siguro.
Feeling ko
Ingkaba
14,
kasi eh.
Kaya lang wala akong 14.
Uy!
You need a toy. You need a toy.
Hey, kwarto. You need the toilet fry.
Hey, don't touch the ano.
I like this one. I like this one.
Manahimik, Adrian.
Please.
Mama, please.
Please.
At least biyasa yan mag
Hey, tapa nga may kalipsit toys ka rin.
Please.
Sukat mo na eh, sukat
Sukat
mo
ko na
eh.
yung tayat.
Yan na.
Wala mo. Mas marugalya.
Ali, okay yaming kabana o neng ing baraso.
Pining blue na.
Makayo. Pero malago ya rin yung balo mo lito kaputi.
Yung red?
Wow.
Kaya makasale.
Ay, sorry.
Double check, double
Mga
check.
mami mo ang sin.
Double check.
Ikaw, anong panahad mo kayong...
Ang gawin kaya yung salad.
Oh. Masanting yan naman.
Nawa. Kaya.
Ito kaputi. Nanong sapatos mo yan, tinaka.
Ala ka din eh.
Mantong ka, matuloy.
Wala. Picture mo ko pala.
There are 4 sets in the tie.
Oh yeah. How much that? Can I see?
100.
Oh, we'll put it back if it's 100. Oh, it's 12 also. This one na
I
lang.
know that bubble.
No, mine.
It will get ubos. Give me na, give me. We'll pay na.
Dude, come on.
Babab will pay.
Mine now.
Give me, Babab.
Dude, mine now.
Yeah.
Dude, mine now.
We need to pay pa mo.
Do.
Oh, this is for Adrian. Wait. Oh, this is for... Ay! For Eliana.
No, you can't do it.
Ay, nuts!
Yan na.
Kabayan mo layo. Hindi lang gagalunin. Yan ka manabo, malunod ka. Iniwas siya pa may koyo.
You choose yan, ha? What's that?
Hindi ko may mag-send ngayon eh.
Wow, it's big. Wow, mabigya pala yung pinili natin. Kasi,
Oh, what's the next? Lemon? Show me. No, that's it's lemon. I thought it's mango. Oh, lemon. And then it's asim. Asim, where is your face? Donut. Only one. Oh, let's go na to the shoes. Let's go na to the shoes. Let's go. Ay, oh, tara. Big eyes. Oh, tara na, tara. Let's find shoes for Adrian.
No.
Ay.
pwede. Dapat kitang size na karangkang.
Oh, check, check.
Oh, Adriel, wait.
Eliana, let Adriel fit the
Wait.
shoes.
Oh.
Oh, dali.
Adriel, you hold mommy. Ah,
Nagpit siya?
No. Don't say it to me.
Masikip?
I can't touch the bottom.
kakain na yan. Dita ka, dita.
Nampalagyan mo.
Ay,
Tinanggal ni.
Adriel, why naman?
But it's deep.
It's
Yeah.
big or small?
Big,
Compared
well,
to
it's
me.
ditak.
It's too big.
Ditak ng difference, Adriel.
Ah, it's big. O sige, we'll
Find
find
your
pa.
own, Yana.
Ano kasi na?
32
I
yata.
noticed
Alay,
that.
ako rin niya. Kapit sa size na niya.
Tayo inte, bakit tinaluha? Maragul yung bagya.
Kaya kita size na
Put
ito.
maili ka na ng kakalyan.
I see one.
Eh, matsuri naman yan. Kaya pala maili yan.
Kaya rin napansin.
Haha.
Adriel, where's your shoes?
Ali, kuya mo yung maili.
Open, wala ko.
You put it back there now.
You love it, Adrian?
Adriel, you love this one?
I want a taco.
Ay, Adriel, you have 50 stop toy in the upper bed.
Oh, you get na.
Put it right here.
Then you get it na.
Adriel,
Laser.
they're asking you if you like it or no.
I like that.
You like it, you're not
Burini.
looking
Oh,
at your
you pay it na, dali.
Bring it na.
Leg. Wait, I
want
like
it?
this laser boob.
Give me your money.
Wait, I see a taco.
Adriel, sinira mo
Buti
na.
na mo. Ali, buti naman.
I see a taco.
Taco.
Oh, tara na, tara.
Dinosaur. This is the most expensive toy. that
Mimi
I
Chai,
have.
kuya mo eh. Nasa na ako sa biyanan.
Thank you so
Who's
much.
happy?
Thank you so much, Kamo.
When
Who's
we are
happy?
in your house, we will have competition na.
Ay, wala akong paborito.
Yan yung pinaka
Kasi Mimi Scoria yan, paborito yun.
pinakamahal.
Finally.
Puripo tsaka si daddy mo din yan.
Pinaka toy na yung
Ako
mall.
nga tinig.
Scooter ang po yan.
Galala.
Told you we
Where did you see it? Where did you
Uy,
see it?
ibig sabihin makapakanya niya eh.
When you're looking far, mommy, when you're looking far there, I told you it was in the fitting room, but you said no, and it was even in the fitting room.
Oh, whose fault is that? Whose fault is
Auntie's
that?
fault.
Oh, sorry. I'll not do that again.
The missing bag. Yay, we found the missing
Well,
bag.
mine was not being missing.
Oh, can you wear it so that it will not be lost?
Yes.
Yes, no, I'm joking. It's
I'll
heavy.
just hold
Oh,
it.
let's go na, let's go.
Heavy.
Bala ako. Salinin ba yung bag, Adrian?
pag atinang may wala, atinang magawa. Atinang
Next
naman
time?
basketball.
Next time,
Oh, next time. Ako malala.
next time you put it in Adul's dad's back. So,
Yeah.
because
So, who's fun?
Ang kakapi lang kaya yung sermon na yun eh.
I think it's Adriel's daddy. Are you tired?
and then we spend our time in that fitting room.
Also because of that,
Oh no, it's already time.
Kaya ulit-ulitan na ito. Panya muna na kami. Yan ang ati kaya sinabi kaya kailangan namimigagawan.
Okay, pagalya.
Oo, ding-ding.
Oh, who's really ano?
Who's upset?
It was me. And the phone is Auntie, Mommy, and Adriel.
Oh.
Adriel, look at the ano. Look.
It's your fault, Adriel. No, it's not.
Huwag ka ng Adriel.
I'll come sleep right now.
It's Adriel's fault. Why you didn't bring your bag?
Ay, no, Adriel.
Hello. 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 Umuaya pa rin.
Ay, Pokemon, oh. It's Pokemon. Springboard. Nandiyan yung kasine.
I want the purple golden one.
Tanong.
Roaming.
Oh, you don't have coins. Tara na. You don't have coins.
you have coin.
Wanderam yung wari.
Ali, baka ali yan.
Ay, yes.
Say sorry.
We're going home na. Ginabi na kami.
Say sorry daw to ate. They give you a big gift. It's ano, they
Gala day is done.
Bye guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe from Diet's Fam.
Bye.
Bye bye.
See you in the next video. Ay, talaga yun.
Dali, say that ka na.
Dali, Deng.
Subscribe.
Deng, what will you say in our vlog, Deng? Please, don't forget to subscribe. Diet's Fam.
Halina ko.
Ali, a future vlogger.
Please eat
Buksan
it.
lang ko.
Mag-U-turn ko ba,
Mommy, I
Kenneth?
want to hear my... So, I was right on the clock. And Mommy didn't listen. Oh, nay.
No, Auntie said that it's not there.
But I did know that's a good spot. Oh, do Auntie leave it here? She can just go to our house.
Your brain knows, right?
Your brain knows.
Because Mommy is very old.
Talaga yaman.
And also real food and also...
It's better tomorrow on a plane, eh? It's too much late na. We will go to school.
Yeah, not now.
Daddy, I want to